Hello, next check. So from today, I'll be starting a video series solving LeetCode problems, and in it, I'll try to communicate my thoughts generally that comes while solving the problem, and I'll show you my intuition for solving these LeetCode problems. I'm solving problems that I haven't solved before, and I'll try to do my best to communicate my thoughts openly in the mic. My target for this series is to develop fluency in communication as well as to make my speaking more clear and fluent. So without further delay, let's move on to the problem. So the problem is integer to Roman, in which it's kind of obvious from the name. In which we are given a number and we have to convert it to Roman integer. It's kind of simple, but the problem is this. If for 4 and 9 condition, let's say for like for 4 and 9 or 400 and 900, we have to uh, kind of reverse the rule. So this will probably be the hurdle. And so without further delay, let's start thinking. I think we should first break the numbers into these breakpoints and we'll see. Okay. So incrementing number as we go. And I think we should start off opening from M. So if the number is 3000, we open 3M. Then we can do this. X and V and V. Let's see what happens. I haven't accounted for 4 and condition, but let's see. Hmm. Eh. Oh, so for 3749, it's MMM. That is on the 300 is coming through. Why is that? Why is that? Oh, we should put the reminder and not. Oh, we should put the reminder. It should be just reminder. Mhm. Oh, no, I don't need to do that. Okay, it landed for this one since it probably didn't have any for case. But now for this 3000 and this for 500, so 3500 done, 36, 3700 done. Now for 49, we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Yeah, we built the 4 and 9 condition. So let's see how we can solve the 4 and 9 condition. Okay, we do that.